Former Security Minister Dwight Nelson is dead.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Nelson died at his home on Sunday night, December 23rd, surrounded by family members. He was 72 years old. Nelson, who held the national security portfolio during the 2010 West Kingston operation to apprehend former strongman Christopher Dudskook, had been ailing for some time.
We are going to hunt them down as they ought to be hunted down and bring the full brunt of the law on them.
Nelson's death was confirmed by a senior member of the governing Jamaica Labour Party, which he served in several capacities before walking away in 2015. In an interview after he left the political stage, Nelson described his time in politics, from his first appointment to the Senate in 1983, as being oftentimes controversial.
That is mischievous, that is misleading, that is malicious, and nothing of the sort happened.
And that's it.
Fact of the matter is that I, as Minister of National Security, I have close protection officers with me. Wherever I go, there is no need for me to pull any fire.
So
I have police officers that travel with me, so there's no...
But at all times satisfying.
I can't recall.
From sitting at Irish Town with Edith Nelson, Lady and Sir Alexander Bustamante, to visiting Sir Donald Sangster in Montreal, to being a confidant for Hugh Shearer, a working associate for Edward Seaga and Bruce Golding, and a chief of staff for Andrew Holness, said Nelson. A trade unionist by profession, Nelson also spearheaded the bipartisan approach in forging the first social partnership pact with the public sector workers, noting that he functioned in the capacity of Senior Vice President of the Bustamante Industrial Trade Union, then as a director in the Matalan Group of Companies, and as Minister with responsibility for the public service in the Ministry of Finance. Nelson said no other person has represented at managerial level, labor capital and government. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, in a tweet, said, Dwight dedicated his life to the people of Jamaica, serving them as a senior vice president at the Bustamante Industrial Trade Union, and in government as a senator, minister without portfolio, in the Ministry of Finance and Public Service, and Minister of National Security. Dwight was also my chief of staff while I was the leader of the opposition. He was a true friend and someone who was always willing to give of himself in the service of his country. Holness said he is deeply saddened by Nelson's passing and extended sincere condolences to his wife, children, family, and friends.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.